bestie, how you doing? Okay, that was pretty cringy. Today I am going to talk only in English. You could ask me why, and I would answer, honestly, I don't know. I just wanted to make a video in English for all the people that follow me and don't speak Italian, like my cousins. Hi! So today, I'm going to be preparing some treats for Valentine's Day. I'm going to make some tiny cookies, I'm going to make some chocolates, and maybe chocolate bars, and I'm going to make some delicious cake pops. I hope everything turns out great, or at least decent. And with that being said, let's start! So I have gathered all my ingredients, and I will start with the cake pops because I think they are the easiest thing to do. Of course, you could bake a cake and then turn it into cake pops, or bake cupcakes, or bake cookies and turn them into cake pops. But because I'm going to do a lot of things and I don't want to waste time, I already bought some cakes, so I'm going to use those. I guess we can start now. Let's go! I have my store-bought cakes here, and what we're going to do is very easy. Just cut pieces of your cakes, put them in the bowl, and start breaking them into crumbs and mix everything well. You can add some cream, butter, or any other type of frosting so that when you start making your cake pops, they will be smooth and compact. I'm not going to add any frosting because one of the cakes I used already had some. So yeah, let's continue making our balls. You can also try to make other shapes. For example, I used a heart-shaped cookie cutter to make a cute heart cake pop and smoothed out the edges to give it a rounded shape. I prefer baking my cake pops in a cake pop mold because I can control the amount of sugar and fat I put in the batter. But because I had to do many things, I prefer to go with the pre-made cakes. Here are all the cake pops we made. Now we can put them in the fridge to chill and prepare our cookies. Let's start by mixing 100 grams of butter, 60 grams of sugar, and 1 egg. I'll add some vanilla extract, but you can add whatever flavor you want. After mixing well, we can add our flour and baking soda. I used rice flour, but you can use any type of flour. Okay, I'll add 100 grams of minced milk chocolate and dark chocolate. I know, it's a lot of chocolate. You can add chocolate chips if you want to, or just chop a chocolate bar like I did. Yay! Our cookie batter is ready! Take a tray, put on some parchment paper, roll pieces of your cookie dough to form small circles, or just use a spoon to put your dough on the tray, and then put your cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can prepare our chocolates. A few days ago, I saw a video of Ada Kitchen where she made some super cute chocolate bars, and I thought that I wanted to try to do something similar. First of all, I'll melt my white chocolate, then I'll color it in different bowls and pour it into my molds. Okay, while our chocolates rest, I got out of the fridge the chilled cake pops. Let's coat them in some melted chocolate. You can add some colors, some decorations, or just make them plain white. It's your choice. Honestly, I ain't never gonna do this again because it's too hot. The chocolate just kept melting and melting and melting. I made a huge mess, but now I'm finally done and I can let them rest and continue with the other treats. We are back. So I finished everything. It's day 2. I let everything rest for the night. And I'm so happy with how the things turned out. They are so cute. Kawaii. I'm so happy, honestly. Like the chocolate bars, they are so cute. The cake pops, it was so frustrating to make them. And I'm not sure if I'm ever going to make them again. But they turned out so cute. I'm gonna show you now. Look at these. Oh my god. I'm so glad with how everything turned out. I also have my lollipops hair. Aren't they cute? They are adorable, honestly. Oh my god. And honestly, the chocolate bars, I am so happy with how they turned out. Like, they're cute. And I am going to show you everything now. Go! Okay, so let's open a cookie. It turned out so good. The chocolate top. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm scared. I don't want to break it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Just playing, just playing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as I said before in another accent, please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Share this video to all of your friends so they can make fun of me. And comment whatever you like. You could honestly just comment whatever you like. I mean, just, you know. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. If you're single, if you're not single, if you're a bear, and if you're a cookie. Happy Valentine's Day. Also, if you are... Bye! Damn, that was so cringy. Oh my god.